educators. Welcome to Student Alliance community. A lot of people have this doubt as to what to do when we have students from different mediums. Because we as a country are so diverse, we have languages such as Hindi, Urdu, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi. Every state has a language. So how do you fill that gap using our IFPD panel? Now just go on to the MyViewBoard application, and in the MyViewBoard application on the web version, I have connected the laptop. Here there is something called as Immersive Reader. So for example, just click on animal classification. Say that you are just copy pasting something, you're clicking on write, you're copying this and you're putting it on MyViewBoard. In MyViewBoard, you have an option where you can click on text and you can copy paste what exactly you're trying to write. Right? So this is exactly how your text would look like. Now in case you want to reduce the size of it, you can just click how much size would you want it. Right? So this is how it looks like. You can change the fonts and then right click and click on Immersive Reader. So Immersive Reader, if you see from here, is here. Just click on Immersive Reader. As soon as you click on Immersive Reader, the entire file.
The members of Kingdom Animalia are further classified into different phyla, class, order, family, and genus based on certain identifiable characteristic features.
So you
One
can
of the most fundamental
pause the
forms
video.
of classification of animals is the presence or absence of the notochord.